Hi everyone, today we are going to see background subtraction method. What is background subtraction method? It is used to identify the moving object or moving things in a particular video. You can look at this example. This is a background model and this is a current image. We can easily get that moving port image out. I will put this link so that you can study more on it. I'm going to implement this method. I'm just going to give a small demo in Python and OpenCV. So I have written the code. This is a simple code which they are given as an example. It is very simple. Just they are implementing the OpenCV and they are getting the video file, and there are certain algorithm in background extraction that I will furtherly explain. Right now we are giving MBOG2 as a default algorithm, or you can give as k nearest neighbor, your wish. Once you get that, you can just capture the video by using simple video capture method, and you should apply that background subtraction dot apply. The -1 is the learning rate. You will get the back sub from here, just calling by this inbuilt function for background subtraction to identify the movement. This is somewhat better than edge detection. Already I have put in a video on it, you can further look. Just I will run this code so that you can get an example how it's work. So in this video, if you see is two people are dancing, you can see all the background has been extracted, like table, laptop and the bags and everything, just the floor and the person. So by this, the use case of this background subtraction is used for video analytics like surveillance or activity recognition and much more. These are the simple features. This is a video, and also I have recorded have written I just modified this code for real time. Just a small modification I done. Just instead of reading the video, I'm just reading using the video capture. I'm just reading it each frame, and I'm applying the background subtraction, and let's see how it works. And in between that, I want to say there are certain algorithms to use. There are certain different algorithms like background KNN, MBOG2, CNN, GMG. Like this, so many things are there. You can use whichever you need it, depend upon the use case. Now I'll run for the real time. So in this real time, you can see there is a 2 frame simple. Again, only the moving action will be there. Rest of the things will be modified. Let's see. Some more time we will identify everything. The action only will be you can see this is a simple background extraction image. The code is very simple. Just you want to extract which algorithm you want to fix it out, and which type like ANN, certain things, and you just want to apply it, and you can just plot it out. This is a simple thing to do it. I just attach everything in the code. Just go and try this. Thanks for watching it.